Hello, little explorers. Welcome to Magic Learning Kids. Today we are going to story the J. Great job!
Welcome to the jungle, jungle. Wiggle waggle jelly. Jelly. Look up high. Do you hear that? That's a jet. Ha ha! Here comes the Joker. Can you juggle like him?
It's getting chilly. Zip up your jacket. That's better. Stay warm out there. Sweet strawberry jam in a shiny jar. Beep, beep, beep. We are riding in a Jeep to explore.
Great job, little explorers. You mastered the letter J today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to 30 Kids. Magic Learning Kids for more adventures. See you in episode 11. Bye, everyone.